Hi, this topical talk's gonna show you how to shoot square videos with iPhone. To capture a video with square resolution, follow these easy steps. Go ahead and launch your iPhone camera app, and I'm going to my video section. And if I as you can see, here is no option to change video resolution. So to record a square video with your iPhone, you have to select photo. Once you are in photo, now tap on this arrow icon and here tap on this resolution, and here you will find this square resolution. Now select square resolution for photo, and here we can see I've successfully enabled square camera. Now all you have to need to record a video with photo, just press and hold this capture button, and this will record your video instead of taking photo. So now don't release your finger, or you can simply drag this to lock the recording, and now you can release your finger, and as you can see my recording is on. Now you can easily record video in square format. Now to stop recording, tap on stop, and here we can see the square video. So this is how we can do it. If this video helped you out, please leave a like and leave a comment down below. Thank you for watching.